Maybe we should print the train schedule up there.
Sweetheart, don't worry about that
I
right
think
now,
that's
okay?
a good
It's fine.
idea.
I'll fix it later.
We'll put the train schedule up there, then everyone will know.
Just let it go.
Oh my.
Oh, my what?
Oh dear.
Oh, dear?
Oh.
What, is this it?
I don't know. I'm quite certain.
Okay.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes? Oh, okay. Well,
Where is Faith?
I don't know.
Get Faith!
Okay. Faith! Florence, the baby is coming! Get Faith!
The baby's coming?
Yes!
Oh, I'll get her. Faith!
Okay, sweetheart, that's it. You're doing great. You're doing it.
She's at the jail. I'll get her. Lucas can drive. I'll find him. I'm getting Lucas. I'll get Faith.
Yes! Get Faith!
Where is Faith?
I don't know, sweetheart. She's coming. Don't worry.
Molly, is it?
It is. Faith!
Breathe. All right, Faith. Ned. Yes. I don't know.
Where's she? There. Oh!
She's coming.
Okay. Rosemary, look at me. Look at me. Breathe, just like I showed you. Breathe.
Oh, Lucas is on his way.
Let's get her to the car.
Right.
Gently.
Nice and
Gently.
There you go, sweetheart. Good. There we go. Nice and slow. You okay? Bad question. I know. I'm sorry. Stupid question. Here we go. Careful. Okay. Good. No. Silly question. I'm sorry. Let's go. Yeah, you're doing so good.
I got it.
There.
Thanks.
Good job, sweetheart. Okay.
Excuse me. Clear a path, people.
Okay, let's go.
This is really happening. Congratulations, Dad.
Hold on, sweetheart. You're doing great.